Well, it's that time. We planted these roughly 120 days ago. It's time to dig some up. But you've seen us plant them. Now you've seen us harvest them. We'll go ahead and get the rest of these dug up. And guys, it's very easy to grow your own food. That's what I've been telling you since I've been on all social media platforms. It's more healthier for you. It relaxes you to watch this stuff grow. And being able to be self sufficient and grow your own food is the best way. Don't depend on somebody else to uh, take care of you. Do it yourself. Like I say, if you grow it, you know it. And we know these.